G'day guys, I'm Cameron here from Jedi Mum Tricks, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our indoor flat pack pickler. So in your flat pack order, you will receive 2 triangles to the side of the pickler. You'll receive a pack of dowels out the back here. You'll receive 2 sets of sides. You'll receive your connector bolts, and inside will be an Allen key to do up the connector bolts. So when you've unwrapped your pickler flat pack, the easiest way to sort out your sides is to lay them flat on your triangle like this and line up the holes. Each leg will have a T for the top, and you just pull them apart like so. You'll receive a longer connector bolt. You go through the top 3 holes here for the dowels. Feed one of the longer screws in and push it into the hole. Start by doing it up by hand and then progress onto using the Allen key. So now that you have the first one in, you just need to line up your hole with the dowel hole. Put your dowel in and use another one of your long screws in this one. I'm going to start using my drill. And once we've done this one, we can go and complete the rest of this side. So now that you've done the top 2 on this side, you can begin to put the rest of your dowels in on this side. For these dowels, we use the shorter 50mm screws, and they just go in the same way. So now that you've completed this side, it's time to move on to the other side. So we have a T on the top hole here for top. That goes in like so. You can then feed our screw into the hole and grab one of our other dowels. You then can continue along the rest of this side with your 50mm screws. So we have our other side piece here. We've got a T stamped in the top for the top. And we just sit and line the dowels up with our holes. Once that is done, we can start from the bottom, moving our way to the top with the shorter screws, leaving the top 2 for when the top side triangle goes on. So now that you've completed this side, all the way up to the last 2 holes at the top, we'll put this side on. Once again, there is a T mark at the top hole. You just place it on like this and line up all the dowels with your dowel holes. So now that you've completed this side, we can go on to put on the final piece of the triangle. What you'll need to do is line up these 2 holes with these 2 holes here and put these longer 80mm screws in. Once that is done, you'll need to line up this last hole with this one here and put another 80mm screw in. Your foldable pickler triangles. Ready for your kids.